Yo, what's good, my people? You already know what time it is, man. We back at it again. Hey, listen, God did not call you to fit in. All right, we're gonna go straight to the scripture today, man. He didn't call you to fit in. He called you to stand out. All right, we are not of this world. We are Martians. You know what I'm talking about? So listen, check this out. 1 Peter 2 verse 9. But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of him who called you out of darkness into the wonderful light. So understand that you can be in this world, but not of it, right? So if you're too busy trying to blend in with everybody else, you need to be trying to stand out. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause that's what we call it to do. All right. So basically today, in today's video, man, I took a few signals from one of my groups in that bundle and, made some good money. So I just wanted to, go over it and show you exactly what happened, and show you how you can, get it popping yourself. You know what I'm talking about? Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Let's see what these signals are talking about. This one says sell. All right, that already happened. This next one, AUD CAD, sell. All right, the next candle. All right, so after this candle, I'm selling. And that looked like a promising sell right there. It looked like a real promising sale coming up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that continuation sale. Let's see if we can get some continuation. This is based on 2-step martingale, so 1-step martingale. That mug shot straight up. Ooh, yeah. But bet we're gonna come back down. We're gonna come on back down. Watch this. That candle was too long not to continue down. That candle was too long on that drop not to continue down. So if we got to double up on the second one, it's all good. Easy money though. It's easy money. I'm ready to get in on the second entry. Mm-hmm. 6. I'm about to double up right here. 3, 2, 1. Triple up, matter of fact. Triple up, matter of fact. So yeah, this is based off 2 entries. So you don't get the first one, double up on the second one, and leave it be. You can do third or fourth if you want to, but again, for risk management purposes, I made it to where it's only for like 2 entries. If he hit me. So let's see what he do. It's a zone in this area, so it's having a hard time. It's kind of bouncing back and forward. Oh, over here, I see it. Bouncing back and forward. See if it can push through. 15 seconds left. You're pushing on down there though. There we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run my paper. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. You know what I'm saying? We got another one that just popped up. GBP USD. 71%. So since it's 71%, I ain't gonna really entertain it. I'm gonna entertain it on like $30. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna entertain it like that. But it say sell, so we're gonna go ahead and get on in there. But yeah, these is pretty dope, man. You know what I'm saying? The whole system pretty fire. This is the auto bot up here if you're wondering like what all this is, but it still calculate even if it ain't turned on. Alright, so I'm about to enter this trade at the 1 second mark. For sale, we done dropped down to 71%. Boom. All right, sale just like it say. Again, 2 entries out of here, and that's it. Now again, optional if you want to do 3rd, 4th entry for the 4 entry rule. Completely up to you, but completely up to you. Yeah, these must be smacking. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's so many different options to choose from in this signal package. in this bundle, but they all work. You know what I'm saying? They all do their thing, especially when the market is right. 15, 14, 13. That volatility is starting to pick back up. We must have got a lot of news today. I ain't even checked. 5, 4. And the percentage went down some more. 2, 1. Percentage went down some more on these boys. Yeah, that volatility cooking today. I ain't even check. I ain't even check, bruh. While that's doing this thing, maybe I'll get a better percentage on Euro GBP, just in case that one loses. Cause I ain't really like that percent anyway. And again, you can always check. Oh yeah, we're gonna turn up on this one. You can always check, like if the market just don't look right on that call, you don't really gotta take it. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try to turn up on this next one, just cause it's 92%. Let me see, 37, 38. Okay. So I'm selling on this one as well. Continuation sale. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go ahead and triple up on that joint. See if we can continue. Just let it run through, you know what I'm saying? Let it run straight through. But they just keep popping up more and more trades, you know what I mean? So in this one right now. And we just had this one that popped up. But yeah, that's it. I mean, you just do what you do. And again, it's always optional to do more trades if you want to after, you know, the second. But like I said, for risk management purposes, I wanted to make it 2 entries. Try to get the entries as precise as possible. Works amazing when it ain't as crazy volatility, but that volatility, man, can jack it all the way up. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you. What is that? Euro GBP. I appreciate you. $400. You feel me? This one probably already going, so I'm probably gonna miss that one. What's it, AUD? 38, 37, 39. I don't know if that one went or not. That was 73% anyway, so probably wouldn't have took that. I'm gonna take one more, and then we'll be done here, people. I just wanted to, show you what we got going on. You know, what I've been cooking up. Again, with this one, you get all these. Of course, you got the hybrids. They got, you know, OTC and regular in there. You know, I was eating on these last night, made 1,000 off that last night. Of course, the cash bot, 110 for the win, swing trades for Forex, profit bot, you know what I mean? More binary option signals, the scalp king for Forex. Okay. Then you got indices and gold for Forex and or futures. The predictor bot, of course, you can't see that right now because these are people who got in. But that one just predicts the market, scans the OTC market or whatever and predicts which trade. Oh, and then this last one, the take profit bot. You know what I'm saying? So you see the people been there getting it in, you know what I mean? So you got a lot to choose from in this bundle, y'all. A whole lot. But let me go back to these, see if anything else popped up. And I did that just as a thank you to y'all, man. Y'all always rocking with me, man. So I just wanted to create something massive for a good price that's going to be a blessing to y'all all the way through next year. And then, again, we're going to get back to the regular, you know, trading videos, but I know it's holiday season. I wanted to make sure the people get what they're going to get. You know what I mean? And then, but the price will stay the same. It ain't going nowhere. I ain't changing the price. All my courses is free, by the way. So, you'll be able to tap into those. And, yeah, just blessings, man. That's all I can do. I had already made 1,000 yesterday, so it's probably added on to today. I don't know if it didn't update it yet. So yeah, I'm up 1,400 so far. And that's all signals. All right, I'm up $1,400, all signals. You know what I'm saying? So crazy work, blessings. So I'm gonna wait for this next one to come in, this next batch. All right, and we just got an AUD JP water just popped up. 72%. Now, since the last one, I'm gonna just go light on this one. Oh, let me go $15, and I'm gonna sell because it's that time. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna do a $15 sale on this one. I'm only doing $15 because it's only 72%. Ain't no point in going heavy anyway on that. You feel me? So we're gonna see if this one play out how it's supposed to for sale. All right, so next candle just simply means I just watch this time right here, my local time, and then when that, you know, I watch that candle when it get down to the 1 second mark, I just hop in for the next candle. So basically you entering at 6:42 instead of 6:41. That's all it is. So if you get confused by that. But if y'all like I said, we can get back to the regular videos if y'all like. If y'all want me to break down each thing and do videos over each thing, I could too. So it just depends on how y'all want to do it. But if not, we can get right back to the regular videos, just teaching regular without signals. We don't need, you know what I'm saying? Because again, we don't need it. This is just something that's gonna, you know, be a blessing to you. So boom, that was the last one. We could fire that up. So y'all just seen me cook non-stop on these joints. So very powerful stuff. Again, you still get this auto bot that comes with it as well, the system. And hey, I'm trying to tell you, bro, it's lit. It's lit. And if you got self-control and discipline, which you will need, yeah, it's just gonna do what it do. You feel me? So to God be the glory. I love y'all. Lord willing, I'll see you on another one. Peace.